snowplow truck. Power steering slash, in this case, hydro boost, which works off the power steering using the same fluid and hydraulic pump. Snowplowing, you're taxing that fluid because most trucks, I know some diesels don't, but have a power steering fluid cooler in the front of the truck. You're relying on airflow, and your snowplow is blocking the airflow to it. And you have no way of gauging temperature of the fluid, and you're also got way more weight when the plow's up. You've got what, 11, 12, 1,300 pounds on that front axle pushing down on the tires, so the pump's working harder. And then you're stopping more weight because you've got ballast, and you've got what, 2, 3, 4,000 pounds extra weight on the truck. You know, when you put 4,000 pounds of sand in the back of the truck, or the sand or shelter, the truck works a lot harder than it would if you were going 5,000, 6,000 pounds, because a trailer of that type of weight would typically have trailer brakes. Well, now you're working with just the brakes on the truck itself. So I have my daughter in there, and she's just pumping the fluid, pumping the pedal, brake pedal, and I just removed the return line between the hydro boost that goes back and returns the fluid to the pump down there. So I'm filling it with fresh fluid, basic Delco fluid, while she's pumping it and fluid's slowly coming out of here. Go ahead and pump it, Sadie. So I'm just watching the dirty fluid come out of here. It's cleaned up some, but the new fluid is completely clear. So this shows you, see that fluid in there? Kind of nasty. So I'm just topping off the fluid as she's pumping, and then when I start to see clear fluid come out of this side, I'll have her stop, and then I'll set the level and ship it.